You'll be building up your engineering schedule. Everything which comes into that is almost a singular place for all the technical information to be shown. From that, will guide you through selecting your equipment, making sure everything actually works, fits together as it should do. On health and safety, where we looked at all the risks of a project, mainly we're going to look at what could happen on site. So we've got safe access to plant and components, making sure our pipework is suitable for the pressure ratings we have, also whether it meets any local standards, requirements, legislation, any PRV selections, vent line locations, any leak detection requirements with CO2, emergency ventilation requirements, and then being sure our design risk assessment captures all of that. From last week, with our program of works, this ties closely to the cost management side, but we'll look at long lead items, deliveries, etc., estimating the labor required, looking at those key program deliverables, activities and tasks, and identifying that critical path to help any project managers make sure we can actually get the system installed in a timely fashion, on budget. And then cost management, again, it's a completely different side of the trade. Quantity surveyors or project managers will tackle this, but as designers, it's always good to have an appreciation for it. So we'll be looking at material costs, etc., our pipe work, containment, insulation, fixings, etc., our plant costs, component costs, controls, labor. It's always important to have an appreciation of how long it's going to take to install and how much that's going to cost. Any access equipment, delivery or positioning costs, curbside, does it need a crane? And then you may well be asked for payback time calculations, which relates back to the material that Nabil ran through with you a few weeks ago. One other thing there is considering your own time as well spent on this. At companies, we're generally an overhead, but still have a good appreciation of using the time that you're given, to produce good value for yourself if you work for yourself or for your company.